Okay, I'm hoping Peter Jr. or Screecher, you will hear him soon, because he is quite the noisy one. This is normal puppy. Is this him? Yeah, this right here, he is Mr. Screecher. He looks just like Peter, but he's not screeching right now. Screech! It's amazing. He's not in here acting like a crazy dog. This is the only one, I think. Yeah, he got his eye open. One little eye. He's the only one, though. No one else yet. I think it's a little boy. Let's see. Yep, little boy. Oh, there he goes. Hear him? See? Did you hear that? That's what I listen to at night. Did you hear it? Everybody else is talking normal. And he's... See if we can make him mad again. There we go. You're away from everyone. No, he's gonna be like quiet now. Did I get the wrong one? Nope, that's his little sister. She looks just like him. Oh, now he's quiet. Figures.